Welcome back, everyone. I am Daya, and I am here with our favorite teacher, Shakuntala. Shakuntala, today I want to ask you the questions our viewer are sending us.
I am ready, Daya. I love helping our viewer.
The first question is very common. People ask, what is the very first thing I should do to learn English?
That is a great question. Most people start with grammar books. But the right way is to start with listening.
Listening? Like listening to music?
Yes, listening to simple English for 20 minutes every day. You must train your ears before you train your tongue.
So, if I listen to this broadcast every day, am I learning?
Exactly. You are hearing how we say the words. You are learning the music of English.
Okay, I am listening. But Shakuntala, I forget the words. I learn a word today, and tomorrow it is gone. What is the right way to remember?
There, do not try to remember a list of 100 words. That is the wrong way.
Then what is the right way?
Learn sentences, not words. If you learn the word apple, you might forget it. But if you learn, I like to eat an apple, you will remember it because it is a story.
So I should learn a small story instead of a single word.
Yes, and use that story 5 times in one day. Tell your wife, tell your friend, even tell your dog.
Shakuntala, here is a hard question. Our viewers say, I am ashamed. I am afraid people will laugh at my English. How can they stop feeling afraid?
There, let me ask you something. When a small baby tries to walk and falls down, do you laugh at the baby?
No, of course not. I help the baby stand up.
English is the same. You are a baby in this language. If you fall, it means you are trying.
That makes me feel much better. So, making a mistake is actually a good sign?
Yes, a mistake is proof that you are practicing. If you don't speak, you make no mistakes, but you also never learn.
Some viewer work all day. They have kids and jobs. They ask, do I need to study for 3 hours every day?
No. That is the wrong way. 3 hours is too much. You will get tired and stop.
Then how much time is perfect?
15 minutes. But you must do it every single day.
Only 15 minutes? That is shorter than a tea break.
Yes, consistency is the secret power. Doing a little bit every day is 10 times better than doing a lot once a week.
Yes, consistency is the secret power. Doing a little bit every day is 10 times better than doing a lot once a week.
You have the best partner in the world in your pocket.
My phone.
Yes, record your voice on your phone. Talk about your day for 1 minute. Then, play it back and listen.
Oh, so I can hear my own mistakes and fix them?
Yes, you are your own best teacher. And you can also talk to your mirror. The mirror never laughs at you.
Shakuntala, these tips are so simple. I think anyone can do this.
Anyone can do it, there. You just need a happy heart and 15 minutes.
Thank you, Shakuntala. Viewer, start your 15 minutes today. We believe in you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel, Dayashakuntalavision, for daily English learning.